Hi children, how are you all? Enjoy your homeschooling. Learn a lot from your parents, from your family members, from your brothers, sisters, and from your teachers also. Children, today again I am with you to teach you few more English words. New activity, new page. Write today's date here. First line we always leave for instruction. I have written this instruction. Double O words. O words. Children, try to write this instruction on your own. Don't take your mammas or your daddies or any other family members' help. Right? You can see this video and you can write on your own. Right? Children, this double O, it creates a specific sound. Oo. It is called long oo, right? So, when you see double O together, we will not read this way. Oh, oh, no, wrong English. Whenever you see double O together in any word, we have to sound oo. We have to read by sound oo. It is long oo. Now let us see which words are there. The first word is zoo. Z oo. Zoo. It is very simple, children. Z oo. Zoo. Next word is cool. K U L. K U L. Cool. The next word is H U F. Hoof. H U F. Hoof. Next is hood. H U D. Hood. H U D. Hood. H U D. Hood. R U M. Room. R U M. Room. Next is zoom. Z U M. Zoom. Nowadays you are very familiar with this word zoom, right? Because you attend Zoom class. Next word is M U N. Moon. Here Z U M. Zoom. M U N. Moon. Then next is R U F. Roof. R U F. Roof. Next is F U L. Fool. F U L. Fool. Next word is pool. P U L. Pool. Next word is boot. B U T. Boot. 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 Next is soon. 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 Next word is spoon. S P U N. Here children, remember two consonants S and P are together, so it creates specific pronunciation sp. It is sp. Sp U N. Spoon. Next word is shoot. SH. S and H. Children, here you have to learn and remember. When S and H are together, it creates specific sound sh. It is not h. No, wrong English. Whenever you see S and H together, always you have to read sh. It is sh. Sh U T. Sh U T. Shoot. Sh U T. Shoot. Next word is root. R U T. R U T. Root. Next is beetroot. B E T. Beet. B E B. We have already learned this. Beet. Beet. R U T. Root. Again, I am repeating. B T R U T means beet, beet, R U ru and T. Beetroot. The word is beetroot. Children, we have to learn to read words this way by sound. You have to understand the rule. Okay, try to remember, children. Next word is loop. L U. Loo. L U. Loop. L U. Loop. Loop. Next is goose. G U Z. Children, here you have to pay attention. See this G and U means goo and Z. We will not read G, U, Z. No, wrong English. This E is silent here. We have to read G, U, Z. That is goose. The word is goose. Next word is, we have already learnt OA words, children. You have to remember again. Toadstool. See children, here O and A are together. So, first sound, first vowel will speak and the next will keep quiet. Means T, O, D, toad, and this is stool. See children, t-o-d. Remember, when two vowels are together, first will speak, the next will keep quiet. So, it is t-o-d. Toad. Here, children, please remember two consonants are together. S and T are together. So it creates specific pronunciation. St. St. What is this? St. Oo. L. Now read it again. T-O-D. Toad. Stool. Okay, stool means the word is toadstool. 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 Children, you try to learn to read, write, and speak these words. All the best.